To trade a stock, start from your dashboard page and go to Make a Trade at the top of the screen. You can click Trade Stocks and ETFs in order to get to the trading page. Next, you'll need to enter the symbol of the stock that you want to buy. If you aren't sure what the symbol is of the stock that you want to buy, you can just start typing a company name and we'll show you some of those symbols that match. Once you see it from the list, click it and you'll start loading a quote. This quote will include the logo of the company you're trying to buy and a performance chart showing you how this stock's price has been moving today. This chart is going to be red if this stock is losing money today. It's going to be green if it's making money today. Down here you can see the name of the company, the last price, the bid and ask price, the day's range, and the volume. These are kind of important. When you actually buy a stock, you pay the ask price, and when you sell a stock, you pay the bid price. The day's range shows you how much this stock has been moving for today, and the volume shows how many of these shares have actually traded in the real markets today. You can only buy and sell stocks that have trading volume, so if the volume is 0, your order probably won't fill unless somebody in the real world starts trading it. Next, enter the quantity. This is the number of shares that you want to buy. As soon as you enter a quantity, your estimated cost will update, which is going to be your quantity times this last price. Press Preview in order to update your estimated cost to include your commission charges. You also have the opportunity to take a note with this order. So this is a note of why you think this is a good idea. Explain some of your rationale. Depending on your challenge, the person who created your class or contest might require you to write some notes. Once you have a note written and you have your order placed the way you like it, click Confirm to place the order. If you aren't sure what exactly you want to trade, we also have some help available for you to get started. At the bottom of the trading page here is the 12 most commonly traded stocks on this exchange. So for example, if your challenge allows you to place orders on different international exchanges, this list of stocks is going to be different for each country you have available. You can also go under Quotes at the top of the page and click Trading Ideas for a few more ideas on what you can trade. So up here you can have some of the hot stories that are moving in the markets today. Down here you have a rotating list of the most popular stocks trading on the system, and these numbers below each stock shows how their price has moved today. And down here you can see some of the most popularly traded mutual funds. At the very bottom of the page you'll even see a list of the biggest gainers and losers. So these are going to show you which stocks are doing really well and which stocks are doing really poorly today. If you have any questions about trading stocks, you can go to About at the top of the page and click the Contact Us to get our support form and talk with our support team.